If you're thinking ARM is about to send x86 to the tech graveyard, slow down. Let's bust some myths about who's really winning the chip wars. ARM processors are everywhere, from your smartphone to the latest MacBooks and even powering some data centers. Their low power consumption and efficient design make them perfect for mobile and cloud applications. But here's the thing. x86 isn't going quietly. Intel's x86 architecture still dominates desktops, gaming PCs, and legacy enterprise software. When it comes to raw performance, compatibility, and decades of optimization, x86 isn't just surviving, it's thriving in its domain. Yes, ARM is making moves. Microsoft's new ARM-based Surface devices and Apple's Silicon have made headlines, but porting complex workloads and millions of lines of business-critical code to ARM, that's a challenge, one that many organizations aren't ready for. And let's not forget the ecosystem. The world runs on x86 servers and huge investments are still tied to that architecture. Change happens, but it's rarely overnight. So, will ARM replace all x86? Unlikely, at least anytime soon. What we're seeing is more of a coexistence, ARM dominating where efficiency wins, x86 holding strong where power and familiarity matter. Bottom line, don't believe the hype. The future isn't about one architecture ruling them all, it's about using the right tool for the job.